Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are pretty good. So, in previous video, we had covered our topic, and that one was how important date. Now, in this second video, we are going to cover is how do we periodize. Now, very first we should know that what is periodization. First, simple meaning is periodization means dividing time frame into various periods in order to study it well. And this periodization is very important to study history. Now, how do we periodize Indian history? There are various Indian historians divided India or Indian history, and at the same time British Scottish economist James Mill also gave his pattern of periodization of India. Let's first see the periodization given by Indian historians. So, Indian historians has divided history into three parts. First, ancient history, second, medieval, and third is the modern history. So let me explain the ancient period. Ancient period was a time when the ruler of India was ruling our country. In this, only Hindu rulers ruling the India. Now, second time period is your medieval time period. So that was the medieval period, and medieval period there was intervention of the Muslim invaders to India. So the medieval period was mix of Hindu as well as Muslim rulers ruling in India. Now the third period India as per Indian historians was a modern period. It generally shows the more emphasis of British ruling in our country. So Indian history is divided into three: ancient, medieval, and your modern period. But this periodization was rejected by James Mill. He, as a Scottish economist, he gave periodization as Hindu, Muslim, and British period. According to him, ancient period was mostly the period of rulers, Hindu rulers, and secondly, medieval period was a Muslim rulers, and that time no Hindu was ruling, and this concept of James Mill as actually not accepted by the Indian rulers. According to him, the modern period is actually the period of Britishers, because at that time Britishers started ruling India. James Mill has given Hindu and Muslim period as a dark age. He has given these two as a dark age. According to him, Hindu and Muslim period was a dark age because that time there were so many social taboos prevailing our country, like the social discrimination, the caste system, the value of women were not in the society, education was not according to the Britishers. That's why he gave Hindu and Muslim period name Dark Age, and he gave British period as the age of enlightenment. According to him, Britishers brought India new era. He has bought, or Britishers had bought, so many changes in India. Britishers has brought many changes in India and took India to the age of enlightenment. Okay, so according to James Mill, what he is thinking and what he thought that time, that whatever change is going in India, that one is bought by the Britishers. So many changes in India, and that one is that took India to the age of enlightenment. Okay,